Hi everyone, welcome to the Biochem SI final review. In the description box there should be a login for the attendance for attending this review. So let's get started. So we're looking at fatty acids, and to begin this process of oxidizing fatty acids, we need to link them to coenzyme A. And this will begin first by simply getting a saturated or unsaturated fatty acid. It doesn't matter for this example. So we're just going to denote it as an R group, and you have shared electrons between oxygen groups. So we're going to begin the activation of the fatty acid. And through the addition of ATP and a reversible reaction, we produce acyl adenylate, which is an acyl group and an AMP group. So we lost two phosphates through the addition of ATP, and that's how we create the AMP. And the bond that I highlighted is a high energy bond, so keep note of that as well. And the byproduct that we create is pyrophosphate, since the two phosphates that we lost from ATP have to go somewhere. But we'll focus on the pyrophosphate later. Let's continue breaking down the fatty acid. So we're adding the coenzyme A, and through a reversible step, we create this group here, and we create the byproduct AMP. And the bond that I highlighted is also a high energy bond. It's the thioester bond. And we create the coenzyme A that's linked to the fatty acid, plus a byproduct, which is the AMP. So now we're going to focus on the pyrophosphate. So the pyrophosphate can actually be broken down into two phosphates, but this can only happen in the presence of water. And so we have our pyrophosphate plus water, and that creates the two phosphates. And it also has to be with the addition of the pyrophosphatase enzyme. Also, it's very likely that you will be asked to draw this on your exam. And also, this is an exergonic reaction because it doesn't require the input of energy.